Hi, I'm Kate and I'm a home economist for Quorn Foods. Today I'm going to make a lasagna using Quorn mince. Now I'm sure you've all made hundreds of lasagnas before, but I'd like to show you just how quick and easy it is to make a lasagna with Quorn mince, as the cooking method is a little bit different to using minced beef. Lasagna is a favourite of both primary and secondary school pupils, and the one I'm going to make today includes lots of extra vegetables which the children probably won't even notice as they're grated. Chopped onion and garlic, grated courgette and carrot, we have mixed herbs, tomato puree, vegetable stock and tomatoes, and of course the lasagna pasta, Quorn mince, and then to make the bechamel sauce we have butter and flour, 120 grams of each, some grated cheese and 1.2 litres of milk. So we're going to start off by frying the garlic and the onions and adding the grated carrot and courgette. Heat the oil and cook the onion until soft. Then add the garlic and then the grated carrot and courgette. Cook these gently for 4 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Now we're pouring in the chopped tomatoes, tomato puree, vegetable stock and dried herbs. So we've actually made a really nice sauce here before adding Quorn mince. It can go in straight from the bag because it's free flow. Give it a stir and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. It just needs to heat through. It's that simple and no need for frying off. I'm just adding a little bit of black pepper there for seasoning. I'm not going to add any salt because the stock's already got salt in it, so I think it'll be fine without. Now, I'm sure you all already know how Quorn mince is very low in saturated fat, and it's a good source of protein containing all the essential amino acids. It's also a great source of fibre, which is good as it leaves us feeling fuller for longer. Now to make the white sauce, melt the butter, stir in the flour and cook it out for a minute or 2. Then it's just a case of gradually adding the milk to end up with a nice thickened, smooth sauce. You might want to use a balloon whisk to get rid of any lumps. So we have the Quorn mixture with the vegetables and the stock, and we have our lovely creamy bechamel sauce. We've got the pasta sheets and we're going to layer up in a nice deep tin. So we're going to use a third of the mixture on the base of the pan and spread it out evenly. Then we're going to add a third of the bechamel sauce and just drizzle that over the top of the Quorn mixture. And then we're going to top with a layer of pasta. And then we just repeat again. And then this time we're going to put the pasta sheets on next. And then finally top with a layer of sauce. And then just spread the sauce over the top, which I'm sure you've done lots and lots of times, covering everything because if there's any pasta left showing, of course it will go dry in the oven. And then finally we're going to top that with a layer of cheese. So bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees C or gas mark 4 for 25 to 30 minutes or until the core temperature is reached. Well, I've just got this out of the oven and it smells delicious. Quorn mince is a great way to make traditional favourites such as the lasagna, bolognese, chilies, cottage pies, but make it healthier and better for the planet.